Have you ever seen two folders with exact same name in the same location? Sound impossible, right? But today I'll show you a cool trick to make it happen. Welcome back to your instructor YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to create two folders with the exact same name in the exact same location. Normally Windows won't allow you to create two folders with the same name in one place. But here's the trick, and I'll show you the easy trick to create two folders in the same name and same location. So let's start. Right click in your desktop or anywhere you want to create the folder. For example, I want to create the folder in desktop, and now click on new, then choose folder. It will take the default name new folder. Then I want to clear this name and give a name, for example star, and then press enter. So my folder has been created with the name of star. Now I want to create the second folder. Click on new, then choose folder and clear this new folder and give name star. So I want to create this folder with this same name. When I press enter, so Windows does not allow me to create two folders in same location. If I click on yes, so the second folder combines with the first one. So I cannot normally create two folders with the same name in same location. So what to do? Right click, click on new, click folder, clear this default name, and then right click in this blank box and come here to this part, insert Unicode control character and select the third one, ZWJ. Now I want to give name. Now press enter. So that's it. This was our trick. So we created two folders in the same name in the same location. So I hope you understand and learned this. If you really enjoyed in learning it, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.